Avalokana, I'm going to do a new experiment in my new science kit.
Yes, it's going to be a lava lamp.
Yeah.
And we have the instructions. Now, first step, pour 5 ml of water. Avalokana 5 is written mLs here, okay? That's how much quantity of water we are putting. Put only until it comes to 20. Let me help you, okay? Or you want to do it yourself?
You help me. I don't know how much.
Don't put too much. This much.
That much?
Yes, we put about 5 ml of water. Okay. Now from the 5 ml of water, baking soda. Now baking soda is a base. We have our ingredients here, which is this. This is baking soda. Baking soda. Avalokana,
Yeah.
what are we going to do?
Baking soda. We are going to put.
Yes, it's a base, an alkali. It's going to react with something else. Now shall I help you open this?
Yes.
Yeah. So how are you feeling today, Avalokana? What do you want to tell all your viewers?
I'm going to make it.
Yeah.
Where should I put this?
Put 1 spoon.
1 spoon.
So you want to tell them about your experiment? The lava lamp.
Lava lamp.
2 spoons, okay, baby? 2
Okay,
spoons.
one spoon.
One more spoon.
2.
1 more spoon. Superb. Now.
1 more spoon, you said?
No, 2 spoons is enough, baby. 2 spoons is enough.
Okay.
And then after that, we need to. Don't worry about that. We'll clean up later. We need to add red color. Okay, baby. Find red from your. Yeah. Okay. You want me to help
This
you
is
open?
red color.
So shall we open it? Let me help you open this. Yeah. Now you want to put how many drops? 2 drops. Okay.
2 drops.
Yeah. 2 drops. 2 drops of red.
1, 2.
Ah, it's falling there, no, baby? Yeah.
Now we added 2 drops. Now what?
Now we need oil. Oil. We need to get oil. We'll get oil now.
Yeah, we'll get oil. We got the oil. We added a little bit, but we're going to show you how we add it.
Yes, add more.
Full, right?
Yeah, go ahead, put the whole thing. Make sure it doesn't over. Enough. Okay. So now what did we do? We put red color. We put red color.
We put red.
Yes. We put red in the water and we added baking soda. Remember?
Yeah,
Baking soda.
baking soda.
Yes. And then now we mixed it and then added oil. So that's the mixture. Show everyone the mixture.
This mixture.
Okay, now. Yeah, no, baby. This is the mixture.
Mixture.
And
See how much we put
the oil in it.
Yeah.
Now we are going to add citric acid.
Citric acid.
Citric acid. Yeah.
This is
Citric acid, baby. Now the acid.
Let me see.
Yeah, sure.
Citric acid. See?
Citric acid. Now we're going to
How
add.
many scoops?
We're going to add. This is where the fun part is going to happen. Yeah. Yeah. So you have to add citric acid slowly, but I'm going to on the light and show. Go ahead. Add citric acid slowly.
How many?
Just slowly, bit by bit, little. Add it. Go ahead, add it. Yes. No, enough. Now look at the lava lamp is coming. What's happening, Avalokana? The acid is reacting with the base to produce carbon dioxide. You see those bubbles there?
Yeah.
That's carbon dioxide. The same thing we exhale. You know what is exhale, Avalokana? After we breathe in, we exhale. Breathe out. Breathe out is exhale. We exhale carbon dioxide. And in that lava lamp, the carbon dioxide is coming out. Wow. Show them. Awesome. Add more citric acid, Avalokana.
More citric acid?
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Wow. The lava lamp.
Look how good fast it's going. And it's coming down.
Yeah, the citric acid is reacting with what, baby? Baking soda. What is citric acid reacting with?
Baking soda.
Yes.
See, it's baking small balls and coming down and then coming up again.
Yes. So, carbon dioxide is coming out. So, what did we learn? When citric acid. Repeat from me.
Then citric acid
reacts with baking soda,
reacts with baking soda,
carbon dioxide is produced.
carbon dioxide is produced.
So, where else do you know carbon dioxide from Avalokana? Exhale.
Exhale.
Yeah, we exhale carbon dioxide.
Can I put more?
Go ahead, put a little more if you want. I'll put off the torch.
You see, it'll.
Wow.
You can still see
So
a
enough,
little
baby.
bit.
This is called effervescence.
Effervescence.
Yes, enough. Don't
Can I
add too
put
much.
a
Okay, little much. That's all.
Yeah,
It's
that's
on the
all.
flashlight.
See, it's
Yes.
yeah. Oopsies. Look how it'll go up and a little bit will go up, then it comes down again. See?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you like science experiments, Avalokana?
Yes, I do so many science experiments.
Okay. And is studying important?
Yes.
Very important. Say bye to all your friends.
Bye.